moto vlogging. I love moto vlogging. What the fuck is this guy doing? Well, here's something new. I didn't know that we've got lights here now. Apparently now we do have lights here. I think we also have speed breakers. I'm not exactly... Oh yeah, we've got speed breakers right in front of the lights here. So in case if you're rushing down for a green light, you're gonna fucking have an accident here. I'm telling you guys, it's not safe to put speed breakers right in front of the lights, but still people have put it. I don't understand why they've done it, and I don't understand what purpose does it solve. Now, oh shit, here we go. We've got cops here, and I hope they don't stop me. I'm kind of hoping for that. Let's see how it goes, because if in case they do stop me, I don't think I've got all the right papers. But anyways, man, they didn't stop me, so it's all good. Huh, this road has changed a bit. Now we have a detour here. What happened to this road? Fuck it, guys, I don't even know the kind of shit I say to you. I mean, most of the times I'm just mumbling out words. I haven't figured out this whole motor vlogging thing yet. And I'm getting on it. It's not that bad. It's a different thing to talk on a microphone. I mean, record yourself sitting at home. And it's a different thing to actually do it on a motorcycle while riding in town. I mean, while riding on the Indian roads. Damn, man, there is just so much happening on the roads all the time that you can't simply just be talking all the time. It's really not that easy. A few of motor vloggers from India, they've been doing really great. Mumbai ka Nikhil, Everyday Indian. Damn, man, those guys have been doing it for a while now. Some of them have been doing it for 2 years. The Heartbroken Biker, he's been doing it for a way, way long time than any of us. And he's got shit figured out, man. It's not easy. Look at that guy. It's not easy driving in India and motor vlogging. I would say the most difficult place to do a motor vlog would be India. But then again, he's figured it out. I'm sure everyone else will as well. And we've got new motor vloggers coming in from this town as well. I've got the Ride Hard Tube. He's one of my friends, my subscribers as well. I've subscribed to his channel as well. I'm one of his subscribers. There's nothing to boast. But then again, yeah, he started motor vlogging and he thought that he was the first one from Chandigarh to do it, and I thought I was the first one from India to do it. But yeah, bubbles break, man. Yeah, apparently we're not the first ones. People have been doing it, and that's the thing about the internet. You get an idea and you think about it, and someone has already done it. It's really fun to ride and motovlog in India. Everyone just keeps you on your toes. I mean, there is not a single second when you can just take off your concentration from the road and just do whatever you want. It's not that easy. I do not recommend it. Do not do it. Now we've got traffic coming in from both sides. I mean, not just one side, but both sides. And it's really not easy. Look at this. What's he doing? Okay, we got here another detour. And we've got Turi on the road. I don't know if you guys know Turi. What do you call it? Hay, dry hay. You usually feed it to farm animals, or sometimes even use it in construction. and that's what this guy is carrying, and he's dropping it on the road as well. Now, if this shit gets in your eyes, man, fuck, you screwed. Yeah, it's got tiny fibers in it that apparently get into your eyes, and it's really hard to get them out. I'm gonna take a really small break here and figure some of this shit out. Balance is right. I mean, the air pressure is right in my motorcycle. I mean, my tires. Holy cow! I don't know, every time I see a cow, I like calling it holy cow. Okay, here we go. Now what? We've got doggies in between. So, I was telling you guys, this is Punjab. This is how the soil is made. As you can see, there are tiny grooves in between. So, after this, the seeds are going to be planted, and once seeds have been planted, you see on your right side here that what happens after the seeds